Hi everybody. Okay, so if you're watching this video, that means that you have signed up for the portion of the chapter you are responsible for, and your group is now ready to get ideas about your magazine design. Just want to show you some examples, right? So magazine articles, right? When you look, lots of pictures, lots of images, illustrations, not as much writing as one might think. Little columns where you might pull out a comment that you say, images that you might find online, just be sure that you cite them. So I just simply went to Google and did a search for magazine, online magazine. And then so come here, and like this one here has a little more text. So if you have a lot of content in your section, it's cool, but look, this page is almost all an image. So really, coming up with 10 pages front and back will not be as much work as you may be thinking. So I really recommend that you go to docs.google.com, and that will land you here. I'm going to share this link in the discussion post. But I recommend you come here, and if you will scroll down, you will see here are some newsletter options. If you click on one, it'll go ahead and populate. And then you and your team can just do whatever you want. I would continue to go back here and get ideas for, the way things should look visually. But you can just continue editing and adding more pages as you like, getting ideas from here. Okay. Another option is to go to Microsoft Word, and from the search box, type in newsletter, and you will have a ton of newsletter options. Now, if you choose this option, so let's say that you love this one, okay, and you decide to utilize this one, right, which is really awesome, okay, and there's multiple designs within it. Let me just give you word to the wise. Save it as whatever the name of your chapter is, and save it to your desktop, okay. And then after that, minimize the screen, go back. You need to go to your Google Drive, because you need, on your home page, you need to come and save, drag and drop this file and save it inside of Google. Somebody in your group who is comfortable using Google needs to do this, okay. And now once it's there, it's going to be in alphabetical order, and I called it example, so here it is. If I double click, now I want to come here and say open with Google Docs. Okay, doing it this way gives you a lot more options than using the docs.google templates. So now everything's coming in. It's going to take a second for it all to populate. Okay, looks like some of the images may not want to come in. Okay, so you may have to actually go in on that first page and copy and paste from the Word document. I don't necessarily, if you're not very tech savvy with that, don't worry about it. But for the most part, the biggest part of this document came in here. You can insert an image here. See, something is here, it's just not showing up. So these are some issues you may run into when you pull that in. Then again, yours may work fine. Now, what I recommend you do from here is click the share, click on get a shareable link, change the access by clicking on this down caret to anyone with the link can edit. Copy this link, go into your discussion post, and share the link there. make a quick little message telling your classmates, you know, what the link is, copy and paste, and there it is. Okay, now when you open this, I recommend you copy it, and I recommend you go open up a new web page and paste it so that you can be working in a better design versus inside of the course. Okay, because if you do it like that, you're going to have to do it inside of the course, and then that's not going to be, oh, sorry about that, and that's not going to be as fluid. Let me just show you. So I'm going to post it. Oh, it's going to make me give an example. So I'm going to give me a title. So I'm going to post it. So now when I come in here and I click on it, if I click on the link, it's going to want to keep me in the system. If you're fine with designing like that, that's fine. To me, that's very constricting. So if it were me, I would want to go back and I would want to copy the link. I would copy the link, go to a new web browser, and paste it. So to me, that would be a better working experience. Okay, I hope this helps. I will be online a lot of the time this week. If you have questions, this is a great week to join me online. I'm excited to begin seeing. Now when you put these inside of the discussion, that means that I can start following you guys and monitoring your work. And I can also come in here and let's say I want to give you a comment. I can click here, and you can do this with one another as well. Click on that little button and say, you know, any kind of comment that you might want to give. And then you hit the comment button, and there it lies, right? And so if I click on this, it'll show me with a yellow box what section this comment. And if I want to reply to it, I click here. Yeah, this is a great idea, right? And so now, once I hit reply, now all of our conversations are neatly organized. So if I click on this again, it shows me. Okay, if I click off, then it just sits it to the side. Okay, I hope this helps you. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's work.